Oh, hey! Welcome back for another Explore with RWD adventure. I'm Roger W. Downs, and here we are in my humble studios of RWD Media, in my loft, above my home, in the mountains of western North Carolina. And the reason I'm here is because I absolutely love this area. And today, we're going to take you hiking out to Rainbow Falls, down by Lake Toxaway. Isn't it beautiful? That's it. So join Janae and I now as we head on out to Lake Toxaway to go hike to Rainbow Falls. And I did find out that I'm a little less in shape than I thought I was. It's really Monkey Mug's fault. Sitting around drinking all that coffee, doing nothing but watching TV all winter. It's been bad on me. Bad Monkey Mug. So minus my bad influences in life that make me sit on the couch and watch Netflix, Rainbow Falls is about a 1.5 mile hike through the Gorges State Park along the Rainbow Falls Trail. And like with most state parks in North Carolina, your four-legged friends are allowed to come along as well, as long as you keep them on a leash. And thank God Janae, my photo assistant, came along, because I probably would have been completely lost. So, what do these little orange markers on the trail mean then?
They are telling you which direction you're following. So there's two different paths that you can take right now, and we're going to follow the orange one on our way to Rainbow.
All right, where does the blue one take us?
You know, that's a really good question, and the map back there will tell you where the blue one goes.
So we're gonna follow the orange. Sounds good to me. And no matter what time of year it is, and we were out there hiking in February, the Gorges State Park offers some amazing views and woodlands that you and your sweet thing can enjoy, or you can bring the entire family if you'd like. Although, you might want to keep your eyes open like Janae did. She discovered something pretty important.
The blue will take you that way to Raymond Fisher Falls. Oh, Raymond Fisher Trail.
And the orange takes us to Rainbow Falls.
Where we want to go.
Right, exactly. That's the plan.
Today.
And while you're out on the trail, take some time and stop and take it in, like this crazy corkscrew tree. Or spend time visiting with your family, not using your phones. Because obviously, you're not going to have any reception out there to do that. So conversation is key. So one of the things that Janae and I have discovered, like any other path in western North Carolina, is that it hugs the side of a mountain, which means you're either going up or down the mountain. So I didn't really calculate that into this and how far this path really goes down the side, because once you go down, you have to come back up. So that'll be a fun experience. Good for the cardio, however, but if you have health issues, you may not want to take this path. Just a quick heads up.
Well, guys, we kind of hit an oops. With all the rain and all the spring, stuff like this happens, but you know, sometimes you just gotta try to stay dry and find the best path to get across the water. It happens.
Well, as you can see, it says caution, stay on marked trails. Serious injuries and deaths have occurred beyond this point. So it's probably a good idea to heed the warning of the park. So we made it out here onto this rock in the middle of the river. Janae taking some shots. You always bring your phone with you, just be careful not to lose it in the river. You're not getting it back if it goes down there. Okay, so what we've come to now are stairs. So, no elevator here, unlike Chimney Rock State Park, where they have an elevator literally inside the mountain. What I wouldn't do for an elevator right now. After climbing what seemed like 1,000 stairs, well, it seemed like it anyway, we made it to Rainbow Falls.
How we doing, Roger?
Well, I'm old, Janae, but we made it. It's a beautiful waterfall, Rainbow Falls, 150 foot, by the way, that drop. Man, that's just awesome. And right over here, you can see where the rainbow's coming up through the mist. Picked a perfect day for it because it's so sunny out. Just awesome. And the mist, by the way, is great. Don't you agree?
Oh yeah, it feels good.
Because if you're exhausted like I am, by the way, a little trail tip, which I failed to think about, as the day goes on, it's going to get hotter. Especially if you're out on the trail. And you do pretty good with just a sweatshirt, maybe not the sweatshirt and the jacket. Just a suggestion. Or bring a backpack on so you pack everything up. I got my jacket on my backpack here. But we're gonna wander down there because there's that mid-deck area where you can see the falls from. So that's where we're going next. Woo! That feels good. Oh, thank you, Lord, for small favors. So we finally made it to Rainbow Falls. We got Steve here along with Wynn as well. Steve, you're from Brevard, right?
Yes.
And you said you've lived almost everywhere around the world, but this is the most beautiful place in the world.
Yes.
And why is that?
Look behind us. This is one of many.
That's right.
And the hiking and fishing and everything here is just a paradise.
So Wynn, you live here in the area then too?
Yeah, I live here in Brevard. I used to live in Seattle.
Okay.
And the Cascade and Olympic Mountains are awful beautiful. But in here you can live very, very close and be in the city. It's wonderful for access.
Yeah, it is. And like living in Asheville, where I'm at, it's very easy to get out to these places without having to drive 50, 60 miles to get there.
Right.
The access is easy. So what would you tell people who've never been here before? What would you say to encourage them to come see Rainbow Falls?
I tell them not to come because I don't want anybody else to see it.
Steve, I love you.
I think that speaks for itself.
It does.
I mean, anybody who doesn't want to come see that, you know, go play golf.
So, this is where Janae and I say goodbye to Rainbow Falls. If you can see me through the mist. If you don't take a shower before you come, just bring some shampoo, you should be alright. So along the trail, you never know what you're going to find, including a puma. As in a puma shoe. And that's a nice shoe, Janae. I mean, that's a designer shoe. Look at the beads in that thing. Somebody had to be upset because I'm assuming a pair of shoes like that, it's got to be at least 180 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So now they're down to, I don't know, what would that half 180 be? 90? Yikes. I'm gonna leave it here just in case somebody comes back for it. All right, off we go.
Well, we're about to go into the visitor center here at Gorges. Fun thing that you should do, you should always stop in, see if they have any postcards, little trinkets, little things that help donate money to the state parks and to national parks as well. Just to make sure that we're keeping things nice, keeping things clean and accessible for future generations too.
So Janae, what do you like so far?
This sign that's describing the sounds of the waterfalls as, what was it, a burble, hiss, whisper, or roar. I really like the burble.
We had such a great visit to Rainbow Falls, even though it was exhausting by the end of the day. I highly recommend visiting Gorges State Park down by Lake Toxaway in western North Carolina. So until next time, this is Roger W. Downs with Explore with RWD.